Hey guys!
This is Ral
and Burns, and we're from the Philippines. This vlog is extra special for us because we spent the whole day to ourselves, filling it with new memories to cherish. Starting off with the best fried chicken joint in our opinion, then we did something amazingly cool for the very first time. We also finally got to check out and eat at the famous Gwangjang Market. Before anything else, please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. With that said, grab a bite and enjoy this episode. Let's go! Good afternoon, guys! Afternoon na because it's already 1 p.m. and we just arrived here in Changyunggong Palace. But since our perfume class is at 2:30 p.m., mamaya na lang kami papasok dito after the perfume class.
It's about time to eat our lunch while waiting na mag-perfume class. We saw a lot of restaurants earlier kasi we went down here para muna yung palace. Pero medyo alanganin na pala yung oras and magbabayad pa ng ticket. We want to maximize our ticket. Mamaya na lang after ng perfume class. Ito kaya kakain natin today ngayon.
Ang daming restaurants doon ko sa kami na bumaba kanina sa bus. Kaya babalik kami doon to see. Pero hindi ko feel ngayon Korean food. Parang gusto ko iba naman. Either Italian, kung may Japanese pa, or
Japanese na
maybe fried chicken. Basta something else. Medyo naumay ako sa Korean food.
Do you feel recharged today? Kasi medyo maaga tayo nakapahinga kagabi.
Maaga nakapahinga, tsaka late na gising.
Oo.
Mga 9:30 na ako bumangon kanina. Ang sarap!
Charged!
Let's have lunch! OMG, may Kyochon chicken din dito. Yun yung gusto ko matry na one of the famous chicken din dito sa Korea. So, order style. So, Kyochon series tayo.
Hi guys, we're just waiting for our order. We ordered honey series na chicken nuggets or fingers.
Hopefully masarap kasi nakikita ko to sa Instagram, yung Kyochon chicken. Maganda yung Gangnam branch ata nila yung maganda. Yung parang hindi mo alam na Kyochon chicken.
Yeah. Hopefully malaki rin yung serving niya katulad sa Mom's Touch kasi medyo pricey yung niya, yung series na yun. It's 23,000 won. So sana talaga good for 2 serving nila. Sweet. Ang hawak.
Super.
Ang sinabi yung Mom's Touch.
Panalo.
Cheers.
Crispy niya sa labas. And then, ang soft sa loob. Sarap din yung pagka-honey niya. Perfect balance ng honey. Hindi siya yung parang doused in honey.
Ano so?
Tubo.
Perfect pa siya sa radish.
Really better than most of it.
Ang sauce.
Hey guys, it's already 2:10 p.m. and we just finished eating at Kyochon. So that was a very good sulit lunch.
Super sulit yung 23,000 Korean won dahil for my experience na lang dito sa Korea, we tried BHC chicken. Ano pa isa?
Pura duck chicken.
Pura duck chicken. Ito, Kyochon. Parang,
Touch din.
oh yeah, Mom's Touch din. For me, Kyochon chicken is a different experience from all the 4 options na nakainan na namin dahil iba yung texture niya, iba yung from the balat, the sauce, and the chicken mismo. Sobrang juicy.
Yeah, super juicy. Pagkagat mo, it's so crispy, and then inside, it's juicy and just so soft. So, we rate this 5 biggies. It's epic, highly recommended talaga. So, if you're here in Korea, try Kyochon because it's really up there for us. Try nyo guys pag nandito kayo.
Tapos, meron pa siyang kasamang side dish na radish and may popcorn pa sila. So, perfect.
Yes, our ever so favorite Korean radish. Super sarap ng radish na dito. So anyway, it's 15 minutes na lang until our perfume class, which is just right around that corner. Sakto nga yung ang convenient from Kyochon. So, let's go!
Let's go!
So we're writing down our names.
Guys, hindi ako nakikinig, so hindi ko alam kung
Ayan, cheating siya ngayon. Write down na everything. Kasi
okay.
i-fold mo siya, lalagay mo yung drops.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna try the first base scent, which is Awake. So, I'm gonna pour 2 drops on the paper and then shake it later. Wave it like a wonton. Okay, so the Awake has citrus scent. Okay, out of everything, I chose Mystery. It has powdery scent. Wait, choose perfume. And then I write here. First, wait.
Ano bang ito?
Ano yan, pure?
Healing.
That's my first. My second. Healing. Pero first ko Mystery. Sabi na, I like white mask. I like white. Guys, ang hirap pumili. Sobrang bango lahat ng binigay niya sa akin. Oh my gosh. Ang hirap. So, out of 6, I only have to choose. I have to choose 4, right? 4? Oh my gosh. Ito yung mga napili namin. White musk, golden powder, chamomile, and geranium for me. Then for me, I chose dark coffee, vanilla, Mediterranean Sea, and Oceania. So, ito na yung math portion, guys. And we have to add it all up to 20 grams total. So, may ibang notes na matapang. So, like yung geranium, 1 gram lang kasi matapang siya. 3.0. 3.0.
Ganyan ba?
Is that okay?
Ano ba ito? 5 grams na. Kinakabahan ako.
Kinakabahan ka. Okay then guys, tapusin na namin ito. Get back to it.
Kinakabahan ako kasi baka iba yung amoy na lumabas.
Mamaya, hindi mo magamit.
Addict ka sa musk.
Super, I like musk.
Guys, hindi ko in-expect na kaming dalawa lang dito.
Ang saya, para sa may private perfume class. Super saya. What an experience. Ganun mo yan.
So, kinakabahan ako kasi baka hindi mo ba yung magawa akong perfume.
Good luck na lang guys.
Vanilla na guys.
Masarap. Bang na to. Pwede ko i-boost na lang.
Aha. Hindi mo matansya. Nakakaaliw naman to para tayong sa science experiment.
Ano mo yan sa chemistry class?
Guys, yung mga keywords for the perfume na gusto ko, kung kuha niya yung mga scent na hinahanap ko, so sana maayos yung perfume natin.
Okay.
Then, we did.
Yeah. This is my concoction, guys. So good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's so strong.
Inamoy mo?
Solid alcohol.
Skin test together.
Okay. Yeah, huwag nyo aamuin diretso, guys. Sobrang tapang ng alcohol. Yeah? Then here.
Yes.
Sobrang ako to.
So we chose the box packaging. We chose a couple hugging.
Guys, sobrang nakakatuwa yung experience ngayon. The first time kong gumawa ng perfume and sarili mong scent talaga yung ginawa mo. So, obviously, kung ano yung ginawa mong scent, it represents you, your character, and suitable naman yung perfume na nagawa ko.
Ang bango.
It suits me. Just the way I like it.
E2 Minds powder. Hey guys, after an hour, natapos na kami sa perfume making class.
We had such an amazing time here. Sobrang kakaiba yung experience na ginawa namin ngayon. First time ko gumawa ng perfume and kuwang-kuha ko naman yung scent na gusto ko for me.
Me too. So, thankfully, successful kami. We both got what we were gunning for. Ngayon, we have to wait 2 weeks para mag-age daw yung perfume and it will smell better. So, I can't wait for that. Naamoy ko na nga ngayon. Super bango, guys. Grabe. If you wanna try this, I'm gonna link down yung Klook link below. Around 5K siya for 2 packs.
So first off, kinuha nila muna yung pinaka-base scent ng magiging perfume. So yun yung papipiliin ka ng iba't ibang scent. Tapos parang ang ginawa nila is humingi sila ng mga keywords ng mga gusto mong type of scent and yung mga ayaw mo rin. Then we did a little math.
So nag-chemistry class kami kanina. So basta mag-total ng 20 grams yung formula. Sasabihin naman nila or i-guide nila kayo kung ano yung matapang or yung mga hindi masyadong matapang. So yun yung mga kukuntian nyo or dadamihan nyo.
Hindi ko alam kung magiging sakto ba yung tamang grams for each scent or note kasi syempre hindi mo parang alam kung anong pinakagusto mo. Though lahat naman ng keywords na minention ko sa kanya, nakuha naman niya yung mga scent na gusto ko rin. So perfect naman.
And then pag nakuha mo na yung gusto mong formulation, you're gonna have to do it all over again para mag-equal to 40 grams.
Yes.
Tapos may palibre siyang 1 gram.
Basically, parang dinoble mo lang yung formula para magkasya doon sa bottle na ipoprovide nila. Super fun! Parang gagawin ko ulit to.
Yeah. Different scent naman next time. I'll go for a bit more men, parang panglalaking perfume next time. Kasi ngayon yung musky powdery na, which is kuha ko kayo.
Ako, I went for a morning summer vibe.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed also watching us create our own scents. And comment below if you're gonna try this as well.
Next.
Di ba yung metal? I love it!
Hangawit na ako.
Last lang! Select photos. 4 lang. Anong gusto mo?
Ito.
Ito?
Ito nga.
Yan.
Back to back.
Ito. Sa vlog.
Game. Ito na yung final.
Okay. Color ko. That's so cute. Watch out.
Hey guys!
Guys, it's 4 p.m. and we're now in Changyunggong Palace.
We just came from the photo booth area. Tapos nagpunta na kami diretso dito. So we bought a ticket.
1,000 Korean won per person. That's around 40 to 50 pesos per head.
So open ang palace until 9 p.m. Kaya nuna muna namin yung lunch and photo booth. Kasi hanggang mamaya pa naman.
Oo, ang laki din ng area na to. Katabi siya ng Gyeongbokgung Palace. So, dito na lang kami kasi before nakapunta na kami sa Gyeongbokgung. So, Changgyeokbong.
Ibang palace naman tayo. Yee!
It started raining, guys, kaya lumabas ang aming mga payong.
Ito mo naman nakaangat yung mga kamay namin kasi we're trying to get a good shot para lang meron tayong maayos sa video. But sana tumigil umulan kasi ang ganda dito. But we reached the pond or lake now. Tapos kanina pala, meron pang isang gate doon na you need to have another ticket na babayaran pa. Iba pa pala yung binayaran namin kanina.
Ang binayaran namin is for Changgyeonggong Palace. Yung kaninang gate na kailangan pa ng other ticket is Changdeokgung Palace. So, magkakadikit na pala itong mga palaces na to. Pero ngayon, maganda naman tong napasukan namin.
It's big and mag-maximize na lang namin yung ticket kasi basta nature. Okay na ako sa nature. Kita ko na yung palace doon sa area na yon. May water feature dito. So, that's the goal.
Yes! Tapos ngayon pupunta kami sa Grand Greenhouses. So, which is up there. So, maglalakad pa kami. Pero natatawa ako, mukha kaming tanga sa camera. Nakaano yung mga kamay.
If you can notice, ako, pinapayungan ko yung camera siya for us too. Kasi bawal mabasa ang camera.
Okay, let's go na to the greenhouse. Nakakangawit.
Let's go!
Yung pag winter, white to lahat. Ay, ito na! Yung greenhouse! Hey guys, it's 5:35 p.m. and nasuyod na namin yung Changgyeonggong Palace.
It was a good day to roam around Jongno, especially this palace kasi sobrang good weather. Ang lamig ngayon. Medyo inulan lang kami kanina pero rain clouds lang so it passed by tapos nawala na rin. Yay!
Yeah, tsaka ang ganda guys dun sa grand greenhouses. Ang ganda ng mga plants na nasa loob. And wala masyadong tao when we went there. Kaya na-appreciate namin yung mga plants.
Yay!
We're in Gwangjang Market guys and it's reminding me of Rauhe Night Market. So ang daming options ng food pero pag tinignan mo pare-pareho lang sila na may seafood mung bean pancake, tteokbokki, fish cake, yung mga ganon. So hahanapin natin yung na-feature sa Netflix na sabi ni Movie.
Guys, we found a restaurant pero hindi siya yung sa Netflix.
Okay.
김치하고 같이 싸먹어. 투게더.
맛있어. 감사합니다. Guys, it's 6:30 p.m. and we're in Gwangjang Market about to have our dinner.
We ordered bibimbap, pork meat, and dumpling soup for dinner. Tapos meron na siyang side dishes na kimchi at saka kasamang soup. So ito siya. So parang ano tayo, complete meal na. So let's eat!
Yan na itong ingit masyado. Pero ang sarap! Oh my gosh, ang sarap! Ang tayo nagmumukbang. Yung spiciness yung soup na sakto lang, ang sarap. One lang. Hey guys, so let's try the Korean hot dog. It's a pancake and may Nutella siya. I've been wanting to try this one. So, buti nakahanap kami ng may Nutella.
Ikaw muna.
Parang ang hirap niyang kainin.
Bite mo na lang.
Dapat bite. Oh my gosh. Mabigat pa niya.
Ayusin ko. Wow, ang laki ng bite niya. How is it? Parang siyang donut. Fried donuts. Nilagyan ng Nutella sa ibabaw.
Donut na. Sweet.
Up. So, meron silang ginagawa kanina. Binibilog muna nila maigi yung dough, tapos lalagyan nyo sa isang side, then they let it fry first before nila pisain. Tapos pag pinisahan na, antayin nila yun mag-brown, then flip nila para mag-brown naman yung kabilang side. Same concept din sa ibang countries na nagpa-fry ng donuts. Masarap siya, pero oily, no?
Fried it. Ano? Dalawang pork?
8개 6,000원.
One. 5 pieces. 5, yeah.
This dumpling shop we passed by, ang mura ng dumpling tsaka ano nila, steamed buns. So, 8 pieces is 6,000 for the dumpling. So, umorder kami tig dalawa. For breakfast na rin namin tomorrow. And na-judge pa kami dito kasi ang dami daw namin kumain. Oh my God.
Paano ka hindi mag-judge kasi ang dami yan? Dami sa loob.
Oh, yan o. Na-judge kami dahil dyan. Akala nila sa amin lang to. No, it's for family. Go! Let's smell my scent again, guys. Kasi naamoy ko siya sa hand ko. Ang bango-bango. Kaya gusto ko siya amoyin ulit. No! May amoy pati yung papel. Paano kung nabitawan ko, no? Tapos nabasag. Of that. So nice. I made this. Kilig na kilig.
Pwede na.
2 weeks pa. My gosh, ang minamoy ko sa bottle ang bango.
Hindi siya makapagpigil. Sabi ko, parang ina-unbox na niya yung perfume. Amoy din. Medyo matapang ka. Pero
Ang bango.
pag medyo mabango na siya.
Medyo? Bango kaya?
Ito, may panlalaki, pero pagka na-dry down na sa skin, ang bango niya kanina.
Nagustuhan nga niya yung scent ko eh. Ang bango. Okay, I can't wait to try that. 2 weeks for best result. This day has been such a dream. We can't wait to share with you on our next vlog our trip to Nami Island, Gangshan Rail Bike, and the Garden of Morning Calm. So please watch till the end for a little teaser.